going to be making ice cream today. This is a recipe my mom used to make. For the recipe, go to dawnofcooking.com or the description box below. We're going to need a large Ziploc bag, a tiny Ziploc bag, whole milk, sugar, vanilla, rock salt, and some ice. The first step is a half a cup of whole milk. Then you put the lid back on and you pour it into the small Ziploc bag, which is in a tiny bowl. Sure not to spill. Sure not to spill. Next, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of sugar into the small bag of milk, and then a teaspoon of vanilla. I think I made a mistake, but I said a teaspoon of vanilla, but it's actually a quarter of a teaspoon. First, get a bag of ice, and then you're gonna use a tablespoon. You'll be using a tablespoon, and you're gonna use 6 of these, and get it all the way up. So make sure it's nice and flat so you don't have too much. You're gonna put it into the big bag of ice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to make sure both of these bags are sealed. You're going to put this tiny bag into the bag of ice. And then you're going to make sure this is sealed up real good. So, you might need a little help. We're going to shake things up, literally. We're going to start shaking this bag up. You can have, if you have a friend over, you can shake it up. You can put your favorite music on and have a little dance party. All frozen, you can just do it a little bit from the back, from inside the bag. Let's take it out and see what it really looks like. You can see that it's really actually pretty frozen. So now I think we just put it in the cup. Ah, it's already open. Now let's put it in. It might get a little messy, let's just say. Get all that nice milky stuff out. It should probably be, if you're using this kind of cup, it probably should be this much. Or if you're using a bigger cup, you might be lucky. And it won't be a mess. Now I'm gonna put some of my favorite toppings on it. Whipped cream, the chicken, for the taste test. Well, you can taste this ice cream at least. Mm. 100 thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure if you want more videos, just ask me. Don't forget to like this video. This is so good. Go to dawnofcooking.com.